Switching to iPhone or sharing photos. This guide covers 7 easy ways to transfer Android photos without loss or quality issues. Way 1. How to transfer photos from Android to iPhone easily and smoothly. Can you transfer photos from Android to iPhone in one go while preserving the original quality? If you want to complete the Android to iOS file migration seamlessly, phone transfer should be your go-to solution. Step 1. Connect your devices. Begin by downloading and launching the program on your computer. Connect your Android phone and iPhone to the computer using USB cables as instructed. Then follow the prompts to ensure the software successfully detects both your devices. Step 2. Choose your photos on the screen. You will see the Android device displayed. If it is not showing, click the drop-down menu to select the correct source device. From the available options, choose Photos and pick the particular images you require. Step 3. Transfer pictures. When selected, click the Export to Device button to commence. The progress of the transfer will be indicated in the taskbar, keeping you informed about the ongoing process. Way 2. How to transfer photos from Android to iPhone wirelessly via Move to iOS. Install Move to iOS on Android. Connect both devices to power and the same Wi-Fi. Start iPhone setup. Tap Move Data from Android at Apps and Data. Open the app on Android, tap Continue, and enter the code from iPhone. Select Camera Roll, tap Next, and wait for the transfer to finish. Way 3. How do I transfer photos from Android to iPhone with Google Photos? Open Google Photos on Android, sign in, and enable backup and sync. On iPhone, log into Google Photos with the same account and enable backup and sync. Your Android photos will now be accessible on iPhone. Way 4. How to transfer photos from Android to iPhone after setup with Google Drive. Open Google Drive on Android, sign in, tap plus Upload Photos Videos, select Images or tap Menu to choose All, then Upload. On iPhone, install Google Drive, sign in, and download photos from My Drive. Way 5. How to transfer photos from Android to iPhone without computer via SHAREit. Install SHAREit on both devices, connect to the same Wi-Fi. On Android, tap Send, select Photos, and Send. On iPhone, tap Receive, and select the sender. Photos transfer quickly. Way 6. How to transfer photos from Android to iPhone 16/15 by email. Open Email on Android, compose a new message to yourself. Tap Attach, select Photos, and Send. On iPhone, open the email and download the photos. Way 7. How to transfer pictures from Android to iPhone via Send Anywhere. Install Send Anywhere on both devices. On Android, select Photos, tap Send, and get a code. On iPhone, enter the code to download photos.